I built a 3-bedroom bungalow in my husband's compound just by selling sweet potato chips. This is my story. The journey started with fresh potatoes, vegetable oil, and determination to succeed. My auntie made sure that every potato was perfect for frying. She would always go ahead and peel the potatoes carefully. This step prepares the potatoes for slicing and ensures the chips look clean and appetizing. You can actually make use of this multi-purpose slicer or even the knife in your kitchen. Whichever one you like is okay, but I will advise you as a beginner, you should make use of the first, which is the multi-purpose slicer, because it is fast and also saves time. Please make sure you watch this video to the very end because this story is going to motivate you today. Once she is done peeling, she will go ahead and wash the potatoes thoroughly to remove sand and dirt. This step is very important because you wouldn't like your potato chips to be sandy. And after washing, she will go ahead and drain the water and allow the potatoes to dry off completely. And whenever I ask her why she's doing that, she will tell me to keep watching. At this point, the potato is dry and is ready to slice. She will always use this slicer to slice the potatoes into tiny pieces. Let me use this opportunity to say hello to Maria Paulette, Shituna Fisat, Njoko Cynthia. Apologies if I don't pronounce your name well. If you are new here, you are welcome to Dima's World. Please don't make it your last, okay? And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate. Please give this video a massive thumbs up, okay? Once she is done slicing, she will go ahead and separate the bigger ones from the smaller ones. And whenever I ask her why she's doing that, she will tell me to keep watching. As you can see, it has been separated, so it is now time to fry. The frying part is the most exciting part to me whenever my auntie is frying potato chips, because I will always have something to eat. My auntie will watch carefully as they turn golden brown. She will always tell me that timing is very important here, because if you fry too little, they will soak oil, and when you fry too long, they will get burnt. She will always tell me to be conscious whenever I'm frying the chips. Once fried, she will remove the chips from the oil and drain them to remove excess oil. This keeps the chips light, crunchy, and perfect for customers. Just look at how appetizing it is looking already. Very crispy and of course delicious. Please mind you that the ones we fried are the bigger ones, okay? So at this point, let's also fry the smaller ones, okay? So my auntie will always fry the smaller size the same way she did with the bigger slice, watching them carefully and ensuring that everything fries evenly. Once she is done frying, she will take it out of the oil and allow to cool down. My auntie will tell me that frying the bigger and the smaller slice together will make them to get burnt, because the smaller slice will eventually fry fast more than the bigger slice. So it is very important to separate them before going ahead to fry. Do you understand? Finally, the potato chips is ready and it's now time to package. My auntie will always package the chips neatly so that it could be sold out easily. She will always tell me that good packaging not only protects the chips but also makes them attractive to buyers. When my auntie first started this business, she made only few packets each day, but people loved the taste and quality of her chips. People began to know her and more customers came. She saved her profits and reinvested them into the business. What started as a small snack business gradually quickly became a steady source of income. Years of patience, hard work, and consistency turned her small business into something extraordinary. She was able to build a 3-bedroom bungalow in her husband's compound just by selling sweet potato chips. It wasn't luck, magic, or big investment. It was dedication and belief in a small idea people overlook. When we look at my auntie's house today, many people only see bricks and cement. But behind the walls are early morning, long hours, hot oil, and a woman that refused to give up. If a simple potato chips business can build a house, imagine what consistency and determination can do in your life. My auntie will always tell me never to estimate the days of my little beginning. So guys, that is the story of how my auntie turned a small idea into something life-changing. Let me know in the comment section what you think about her journey. And will you be starting a small business like this? If yes, how much will you be selling each chips? Bye for now, and I will see you on my next video.